Tradesmen and women a lot of times find themselves working in very industrial types of job sites. When we're talking about industrial job sites, we mean utility power plants, chemical plants, oil refineries, even some heavier manufacturing plants. These are plants that harbored a lot of asbestos-containing insulations, refractories, gaskets, and other materials. And the reason that these industrial sites use those products is because there's a lot of high temperature steam applications, and that required the thermal capacity of a lot of these asbestos products. And so you run into all kinds of asbestos products at industrial sites. Many union people found themselves working in these sites on various types of equipment such as boilers and steam turbines, pumps and valves, even steam traps, blowers, fans, heat exchangers. The list goes on in terms of the mechanical and industrial equipment that make up these industrial sites, which required the use of or specified the use of asbestos-containing materials. And so there's a lot of exposure at industrial sites through the years, the 60s, 70s, 80s, and beyond. That's not to say that there wasn't exposure in commercial and residential settings as well. There certainly was. And when you're talking about commercial, you might be talking about lighter manufacturing facilities, plastics plants, plastic molding plants, and residential, certainly in home building construction. And even on the automotive end in service garages, you have automotive mechanics changing brakes that were exposed to asbestos. People who built homes during the right years in the 60s and 70s, or commercial office buildings or hospitals using asbestos-containing joint compound, were certainly exposed. And so there's significant exposure had at even commercial and residential sites like there was at industrial sites.